Hey guys, thank you for joining us today. Today we have a special vehicle that we basically upgraded pretty much every feature available in the car in sense of safety and in sense of a comfortable way to enjoy the vehicle. So this is 2012 BMW 320. The vehicle came from the factory, very basic, no blind spot, no parking sensors, no backup camera, no remote starter. Obviously the customer purchased that vehicle, this time is the second hand, but many times people buy brand new cars and more basic like Nissan, Toyota and other cars that buy them more basic. And all the upgrades you want to get from the dealer will cost you a fortune because it's not being sold as a separate item. You have to buy a full package. So if you want to have parking sensor, it has to be a safety package which includes another 15 items that you don't care about, from alloy wheels to other stuff that you don't care, or sunroof. So this is how we can upgrade specific stuff and will cost you much cheaper. So in this case, we have installed a few things. We have, first of all, the blind spot systems. So there are sensors on each side of the vehicle. We have the reverse sensors. We have front sensors in the front bumper. We have a backup camera that's actually using the factory screen. So the camera also, there's no drill in here, it looks like factory, and we are using the factory screen. And we also installed a remote starter. In this case, we've installed a two-way system that when you start a vehicle confirms that the car is actually started. So all these upgrades, all those features are always available, and it's obviously much cheaper to get them after. So if you buy yourself a basic vehicle, don't worry about it, you can always upgrade those things. For more details, prices and options, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.